The second challenge for me was like figuring out why people would want to watch my travel content specifically. I think as an entrepreneur, anybody who's been doing that for a long time knows like your target audience, your target customers are not supposed to be only your friends and family because it's not their responsibility. They should support you if they rock with you, but like you can't count on them. You have to build a customer base, a clientele of people who don't know you, who want to support you, or who like what you have to offer anyway. So I'm like, okay, outside of people who know me, who might just be interested in where I'm going and what I'm doing, how can I make my travel content stand out from other people's travel content? And I thought about this for a while and prayed on it and things like that. And eventually I decided that one, I was going to do the same style as most travel content I've seen, as far as like go to a resort, document your experience, show the amenities. And, this is how I plan to try to get brand deals and free hotel stays, things like that, where I could promote other people's brands with my content. And you can make money that way as well as just monetizing the videos on YouTube. But also I was like, I need something else for every trip that is going to be different. So I decided to purchase some Ray-Ban Meta glasses and create virtual vacation experiences. And I was like, I haven't really seen that. Not saying it doesn't exist, but that's not a very popular thing. And I feel like that could be very niche for me. So it's almost like, how do I describe it? Story, like sleep stories. So basically, from the point of view of my Ray-Ban glasses, these aren't the Meta glasses that I'm wearing right now, but from the point of view of my Meta glasses, I could just document the trip, and I could literally do narration, which will act as like a sleep story, but also a virtual vacation. So you could act like when you see the video, it's from the view of my lenses. It'll look like you're on a vacation. Or if you just listen, you could go to sleep to it every night instead of white noise or instead of ocean sounds. You go to sleep listening to a story about how you took this vacation to Panama, for example, and that could, give you the visuals to go to sleep to, the audio to go to sleep to every night. And it could be very soothing, very calming, because everybody doesn't have the time or the funds or the, ability or the motivation to leave. Some people just want to hear about it and pretend like they're going, and that's okay too. So that's how I decided to make my content stand out from others.